Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about a new topic, that is the folder structure and intelligence and auto suggestions, how we can able to get the auto suggestions. Okay, those things we are going to discussing today. Okay, and on my previous video you can able to see we are set up this particular one, right? We saw about that how we can able to set up and how we can able to open our Cypress, right? And after that we added for one file and we just run and see the path and then we come back, correct? Now we are going to see for folder structure. The folder structure you can able to see here. This is a project, this is a project name, and even in this project name you can able to see there are a couple of files, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is the one, you can leave it, remaining 4 files are there. Okay, one is Cypress and the second one is a node underscore module, and third is cypress.config.js. Okay, and the final is package.js file. Okay, we'll go for one. What inside the Cypress folder, what all the things are presented? There are a couple of folders will be presented. One is downloader and E2E features and support folder. Okay, down download folder. Then we have E2E folder. Then we have pictures and support folder. Okay, and what exactly download folder can have? You can anything, if you have the folder like something in your application, if you want to download something files and all, you can able to keep it here. Okay, the download folder can able to keep it for any kind of file inside the downloaders, any file. Okay, and E2E section is the one is a like it will store for all kind of test files, which is a file we are going to create. This is spec, we are choose one, right? In this choose you can able to see spec.cy.js. These kind of files it will store inside the E2E folder. All the test files it will store under E2E folder. We can able to create n number of, we can able to see for next video session onwards, we can able to create a file and we can able to create the first test case at all. Okay. And here we can able to create the description, but cy.js we are going to create. Okay, and next folder is features. Feature is nothing but it will store for static test data. Static test data means external files, we can able to say JSON or XML or CSV file, any kind of external file data we are going to store under features. In the features we can able to directly accessing into our project. In this test folder location we can able to access those data. Okay, and support folder. In this support folder we can able to create provide some reusable code. Reusable code, anything if you want to reuse something code, that code you can able to keep it here. Okay, and also we have two files inside the support folder. One is commands.js folder, sorry, file, commands.js file. This file what exactly like custom commands or overwrite existing commands. Custom commands is nothing but it is having already some codes like cypress.command.add. You can log in email ID and password. This is the custom. The parent command you can able to see parent and sub is there. You can n number of sub methods are there. If you want to override already existing method, you can able to write cypress.commands.overwrite. Any code you can able to override. There is a visit method is presented. In that visit you can able to overwrite any kind of method, you can able to create that particular value, it will change to that particular option. Okay, here you can able to create any custom command. or you can able to already existing command. If you want to override, you can able to override. For this, they are provide for custom commands location URL. If you want, you can go through that particular file, and here if you load, right, here they can able to show you what exactly this command is presented, how you can able to write it, and how you can able to reuse in your code location. This is the correct format. This is a command dot add all, and the login and username password. You can able to provide like this. You can able to get it. If you want to override, you can able to use the override option. It will automatically override, and you can able to use into your uh, file location. Anything you can able to override, or anything you can able to create for your own custom commands. Okay, that is the one. And also we have E2E file. E2E file is only load before or after. Before anything, if you want to test, you are going to run something. Now here import commands is the one. And if you want to add before configuration, something database connection or something you want to load before your command loading, before your entire project is loading, that need to be load. Then you can able to use for here. This import sections, it is basically import and require something commands. We can to import here. By default, we can able to capture those things. Okay. And here one more thing need to be presented, one more folder, that is a video folder. Video and screenshot. There are two folders. You are not able to see here the two inside the Cypress. There is a two folders. One is video folder and another is screenshot. What exactly video and screenshot contains means video. Whenever you running something test case, it will record all the step by step inside your loader. Okay, inside it will record everything inside a video, like what are the actions you are going to do, right? That all the actions it will record. You can able to see that particular video, and if in case if you are fail something test case, you can able to watch that particular video, and you can go that particular location and you can able to fix it. That is a one thing. And also screenshot folder, it will capture each failed cases. Okay, in that case also you can able to go and see for screenshot, and you can able to capture, and you can fix it your code bases. Okay, then after that we have node underscore modules. This is the one. It is a modules for Cypress. Modules for Cypress. All the modules you can able to see. Cypress modules related stuff is there. Colors up, and you can able to aggregate colors. So many modules are presented. All the modules related to your particular Cypress related. You can see Cypress is presented. This is a Cypress lib folder, bin folder. Okay, maybe if you see old versions, maybe you will get it for this particular actions. Okay, and node.js file. This is the node.js file. Okay, in here, like if you see old versions, very old versions, in there by default node.js file will be presented. Okay, in that file we are going to add some executions, some files we are going to add it. Those things we can able to keep it in this particular file, and we can able to capture that also, but it is not recommended for that now. Okay, we can able to do it. Even dashboard is presented here. You can able to see dashboard. This is a license agreemented purpose text file. It is contained for all the license agreement here. Okay, in case if you are using for already like license is presented for dashboard, you can able to get the dashboard one. Okay, this is completely Cypress related modules are presented inside a node underscore modules section. Okay, and very most important one is cypress.config.js file. This is a very most important. What exactly this one? This is the setup. Okay, this is the setup file. Here what all the things are you need to set up that everything it will be reflected into in your code location. This is a main configuration file. This is a Cypress main configuration. If you have any issue in this configuration file, you will not able to open your Cypress. If you get any issue in this particular file, you can't able to open that all the things. All the configurations we are going to keep it here. This module.export will export for all the configuration related information. Okay, even you can see after that providing automatic code compilation and configuration in many popular code editors. While it is not strictly necessary for Cypress to process your configuration, recommended to wrapping your configuration object. Okay, and this package and logs are normal. Okay, this package.json file you know already, right? We can see all the things like before installation time we are user, right? And also you have to remember one thing, dev dependencies is there one section. Previous while we install up to here our package is created. Okay, after you created Cypress, it is installed for this particular Cypress. Cypress version is 13.5.1 is the version present. Okay, if you install any new software inside the Cypress for existing purpose like iframes, iframe purpose we need to install for iframe Cypress, right? That time it will come and install into here. XPath purpose we need to install one plugin. That also it will come and sit into the dev dependencies. Okay. Any external you are going to use it in Cucumber also you need to install. That also it will come and sit into dev dependencies. Okay. All the things which is the plugins you are going to install, right? That all comes under sit into in this location, this dependency. Okay. This is our main. Okay. And this is all completely like a folder structure. Now we are going and see for IntelliJ support. Auto suggestions how it will be presented. Now we can able to see here. Now I'm going to enter cy dot. Now you can see only for what all the things are presented here. You can able to see that four only, but we are not able to see anything. Okay. Now here three hashes. Then you can able to use for this particular one and reference. Okay. Reference types equal to double quotation Cypress and close it. Okay. Now you can come now after save it. Once you save cy dot cy dot. Now you can see all the things. Visit also it will come. And if you want title, it will come. Like this, all the things it will come. Okay. Now we are able to get it here. Now I want to create one more file. I'll create a new file. That is my first test case .cy.js. Okay, now I want to create here describe. Now you can see whether we are getting it or not. Now title also coming here. Okay, which is the references we kept here, and also we bring it into here demo and test case name is first test case. I'll explain you this into a next video. Okay, and here you can get it for anything title or something, we can able to get it here. Okay, And also you can see now we are getting this particular one. Previous what happened, old versions, if you are importing one place, you can, now I'm able to, without importing, we are able to getting here, right? But old versions, we are not getting this particular issue. It means if you are importing here and second file also you are getting the similar format, right? IntelliJ support. But in old versions, if you import here, new file, if you are going to do for that particular title or that IntelliJ it is not supporting. Okay, now the latest version it is supporting. Okay, one place if you are installing all the locations, it is by default it is supporting for IntelliJ. Okay, in case in your local if it is not supporting, in case by mistake, maybe if it is not installed, like if you are after adding that particular this particular without new file, without adding this particular one, if you are getting something, okay, that moment what we need to do now, whether we are getting this particular one or not, we'll see. Now we are not getting, correct? Now go to support and go to commands. Okay, come down and here keep it the file and save. Okay, come now and dot you can add it title. Okay, in case if it is not work, you imported one place but another new file it is not displaying that IntelliJ support, then go to commands and paste that particular one, 3 hashes and reference types equal to Cypress. To providing for each specific file, we can able to provide inside the command, automatically it will override all the files you can able to access for each method. Even iframes, if you want to access for all the location, you can able to import in the command location, you can able to access. Okay, and XPath also you can do the similar format, you can able to access like this, you can able to do it. Okay, this is all about for our complete information about folder structure and auto suggestion, how we can able to add it. I hope this information help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.